I'm Emily Fender, I'm an extra care support worker. I work at the Orchard in Coombe Down in Bath, and it's great. Primarily the purpose is to help people with their independence, so everybody lives independently in their own flats and we help them with whatever needs that might be. So we help with everyday tasks like shopping or helping them prepare food or some personal care if they need it. Sometimes it's companionship, yeah, a full range of things. So it's really interesting and varied and every day is different.
The staff is fantastic here and they help me with loads of things. So when the OTs first came, you know, and started trying to get me fit and they started to get me to cook, they give me things to do. So I'd walk up and down the corridor. So I've got so many steps I got to do in a day. And the staff would come past and say, how many have you done today, Steve? What are you up to? How many more have you got to do? And it's all that sort of encouragement. And they're always friendly and kind. Ask what you're up to, where have you been? There's someone taking an interest in your life. You know, you're not just a name. It's someone talking to you like an equal.
I'd been abroad for a very long time and looking after my children, and I needed to get back into work and I didn't know where to start, but I knew I wanted to be working with people, doing something in a caring capacity. So I went for the interview thinking there was absolutely no chance I would get the job, and I was really shocked when I did. And it's just been great. It's been everything I kind of hoped it would be and more, really. Far more varied and interesting than I ever thought. I found the shift working. It was something I was quite worried about, but actually it's worked really well because it means that I'm there for my kids sometimes during the day, sometimes I'm at work during the day, sometimes I'm at work in the evenings. So actually the flexibility has been really good for us as a family. It's worked really well. I'd never worked in care before, so I was feeling quite daunted by the task and I didn't really know what to expect, but the training was really thorough. It was really interesting and enjoyable, so I really enjoyed what I was learning and it was fun. And then after we'd done the formal training elsewhere, then I felt really supported here and still do. If there's anything I'm curious about or unsure about, there's always somebody on hand to help. We all get on really well. It makes working just enjoyable, even when you maybe had a hard day or something difficult's happened at work. You know, they're always there to help and support you emotionally. It's a really nice environment. It feels like we all really care about each other, both the tenants and the staff. It's really nice. We have quite a lot of live music. We try and celebrate all the different occasions. So we have like tea parties at Christmas and the royal wedding as well. There was another party, any excuse really. It helps them, you know, have a sense of community and socialisation. It helps people with memory loss. Yeah, it's really important for emotional well-being to have people busy and active and getting together and preventing people from being isolated.
Being a support worker or a shift leader even, is someone that's got to have communication skills. Really important to have communication skills. Be able to listen, because that's a big part as well. Someone that's cares. Someone that puts that little bit extra in.
Taking it personally is something that you really do have to do because you're working by yourself. So making sure that you do a good job and that you're caring for people in the way that you would want to be cared. You know, treating people as if they're your family members really and doing a really good job, and that makes me enjoy my work more and feel that I'm doing a good job.